L.U.S.T representing
the black, gold and green. Push them up to the sky.
I am Thriller You.
Yeah man, I'm Lucky D.
I am Tony Curtis.
And I'm singing Melody.
And we are L.U.S.T. And our festival song is called Wave the Flag.
Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them.
L.U.S.T. A lot of people ask about that. Well, L.U.S.T itself, the name is acronyms of each artist. And we love it, the people, and some people, they give us a lot of tease about it. Why you call yourself that name? Good people love it as well. And we love it, the people love it, so we work with it, and it's working. We are here.
Say all over the world, all over. Come we go.
4 powerful voices, 4 solo artists. But what we have going for L.U.S.T over the years, we cut ego out of that. There's not, if you have your ego, you keep that for your solo show. But when it's L.U.S.T time, there's no ego. And of course, from time to time, we do have a little time where we say, you should do that and you should do that. But what we do, we think about what we're going to sing. We think about what song, what verse, what words complement whose vocals. And then when you find that you can do that, you have no problem.
Jamaica.
Well, festival is a big thing this year, and I am very excited. Whatever it is on Amazon, Spotify, whatever it is, everybody is excited right now because we've been locked down for so long. It's good to go out there and perform, to sing, to do anything right now. It's a beautiful thing.
It's our culture, it's the food, it's the people, it's a movement that happens every independence or every time there's a celebration, whether we're in a football match or something. It is a feeling that just goes through the nation. Most name artists are what we call artists with name and weight. Doesn't really play a role to be interested in doing festival songs. But I like what I'm seeing now and the change, because we can also help to carry that flag, and we tour a lot, we travel a lot, so therefore it does help the culture and it helps our music.
This is just to show the young artist that is trying to compete that they're in a competition now.
High, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high.
You're representing Jamaica, representing our island, our country. When you have the big artists in it now, you know that you have competition. Work hard, make good music, and represent, because festival is about our culture.
Make them hear you shout it out louder.
Are we in it to win it? Yes, man.
Over. Say all over the world, all over. Them love the Jamaican culture. Say all over the world, all over.
Yes, you know, I know one of these. This is a festival thing. I have one, I tell you.